Have you ever noticed that over time, THC stops hitting the way that it used to? And the moment you take a break, you start feeling different physically, mentally, and emotionally. In this video, I'm going to discuss the tolerance break, otherwise known as the T break, and how it affects your body physically and potential testing times. So when you first ingest THC, it immediately binds to the CB1 receptors in the brain. And these receptors regulate mood, memory, and perception. Now, when these receptors just occasionally come in contact with THC, they are stimulated normally. The issue comes in when THC is present continuously. Then these receptors become overwhelmed and desensitized. So when this happens, your normal dose just doesn't feel the same as it used to. And this causes you to want to use more to try to have that similar feeling, which further desensitizes your brain, leading to this downward spiral. So let's talk about exactly how long you need to abstain from THC to start feeling the change. Studies show that CB1 receptors begin recovering after only just 48 hours without THC being present and are all the way back to baseline sensitivity at about 2 to 4 weeks. So light users will be on the lower end of this estimation, while heavy users will be on the upper end. Now, during the first 24 to 48 hours, you might experience withdrawal. We're talking about irritability as your mood regulation adjusts, sleep disturbance, and this is especially true if you're used to using at night, and mental fog as your brain recalibrates its signaling. But after day 3, these feelings generally change to positive, and we're talking about clearer thinking, more vivid dreams, better memory recall, and more energy. So then what happens the next time you use after a tea break? So when you take a tea break, even a short one, your next THC session generally feels noticeably different. You get a stronger high with a smaller dose, you get less grogginess, more euphoria, and you feel more relaxed. Your body is now again reacting to THC just like you had never had it in the past. So now how might taking a break, a tolerance break from THC, actually affect testing time? Well, it's probably what you are expecting and what you think, but with a twist. Obviously, taking a tea break will mean that you have less THC in your system and therefore a less likelihood that you will test positive if you are tested for THC. Unfortunately, however, THC metabolism is not a straightforward process. Since THC specifically can be absorbed by body fat and then re-released into your system over time, if you are a heavy user before taking a tea break, or if you have a significant amount of body fat, there is a higher likelihood that you will have enough THC stored up in your body fat to then later in time test positive on a THC test, even if you have stopped using. Fortunately, there are things that you can do. There are actionable steps that you can take to shorten the amount of time that you will test positive if you are actually not using THC. So the first thing that you can do is test yourself at home. It's easy to do, it's cheap, you do it in the privacy of your own bathroom, and it will give you an idea of what's going to happen on that official test. Also, take specific products, things like zinc and anything that helps support your liver, which is what is going to clean your system from the THC, produce the metabolites, and get it out of your body. I will leave links to both of our preferred products in the description of this video. And there are also some long-term benefits to taking temporary tea breaks, just every once in a while. One is, obviously, you're going to be spending less. If you take a break from using cannabis for a few days or maybe a few weeks, you're not going to be spending money on cannabis. You saved some money. That's a good thing. It could help lower your anxiety, reduce grogginess. Your sleep could improve over time. And it makes THC feel special again. If you have a break without it, the first time you use again will feel maybe very similar to when you just started using cannabis. I hope this was very helpful and informative. Thank you to all of the members of this channel. Check in the links down below for all of the ways that we help people be best prepared for an upcoming THC test. I hope to see you again in the next video. Until next time, everybody, stay safe.